guys. We have done till question number 5. So today we need to do question 6. So now question 6 onward, the equations are getting a bit tricky, you know. Question 6, 7 mein phir bhi it is easier, but question 8 onward the equations are trickier. So question number 6 is, if u is equal to pi into r plus h, find the value of r when u is equal to this and h is equal to this. So Zainab, in this question, how many variables are there?
English.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Avrish, how many variables are there in this?
4.
4? Which 4 variables?
3.
3
3.
variables. Very good. So pi is not a variable because the value does not change. Okay? Pi is a constant in maths. So let me write it down on the whiteboard. So just give me a minute. So the equation is u is equal to pi. U is equal to pi into r plus h. And we need to find out, I believe, r when u is equal to 16 wholes 1 by 2. Use 16 wholes 1 by 2. 16 wholes 1 by 2. And h is 2. We need to find out r. Right? This is the question. So what is the first step? What is the first step in this question? We replace the values in the... That's right. We replace the values in the equation. So u is 16 wholes 1 by 2. Pi is 22 by 7. It is written in the question. Right? So r is unknown. H is 2. So what is this 16?
Mixed number.
That's right. So what if we convert it into improper fractions? What will that be? If we convert it into improper fraction, 16 whole 1 by 2.
33 by 2.
Very good. 33 by 2 is equal to 22 by 7 into r plus 2. Acha, this is interesting. I can write down this 7 as a whole denominator also. Like I can write down like this also. This is the same thing. 22 multiplied with r plus 2. So this 7 is basically a divisor of this all. Right? So now what to do?
First open the bracket, expand it.
All right, let's open the bracket. 33 by 2 is equal to 22r plus 44 divided by 7.
Plus 44 by 7.
Ji. So now what?
Now cross multiply.
Very good, very good. Cross multiply. Very good, Abrish. So now we can cross multiply because we need to keep r on the left side. So I will write down r on the left side. ठीक है, ताकि मुझे move ना करना पड़े. Plus 44 equal to 33 multiplied by 7. This is what cross multiply is. Like these will be multiplied and these two values will be multiplied. Now if you open this bracket, what will this be? 2 into
44.
44r plus
88.
Plus 88 is equal to, what is 33 multiplied by 7? Let's quickly do it. 33 into 7. 231. Right? So now what we will do?
Ma'am, denominator will be 44.
No. Well, that is the last step. There are 3 terms. That we do when there are 2 terms left.
88 to the other side.
That's right. We will take 88 to the other side of the equation. So it will be 231 minus 88, right? So now 44 are... That's right. What is 238 minus 88? 11 minus 8 is 3. So then this is 22 minus 8 is 14. So this is 143.
Yes.
So this is very interesting, Abrish. There are so many multiples of 11 in this question. This is very interesting. Just look at this one. Like this was a multiple of 11, 33, 22, then 44, right? So then 33 multiplied with 7. So this is also a multiple of 11. These are also multiples of 11, right? So
Yes.
now
Now
this is also multiple of 11 because these both are multiple of 11. So when we subtracted them, the answer is still a multiple of 11, right?
ma'am, now in the denominator we will add 44.
Very good. So now in the denominators, we will divide both sides with 44. This is
44.
gone. So R is equal to, can I divide it with
One.
11?
Yes, 11. 11.
11 fours are 44, 11 ones are 11, so 3 remainder है तो 33 बन जाता है ना. 11 threes are 13. So R की वैल्यू
So
कितनी है? 13 by 4. या फिर in mixed number,
now
can
we
you
can
tell what would be R?
improper fraction we will change it.
जी बेटे, it's improper, so we will change it into the mixed number, right? So what will be the answer?
Ma'am, it is 3
Hmm.
3 1 by 4.
Very good. So it is 3 wholes 1 by 4. This is the value of R. ठीक है
R.
बेटे?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes.
On. So this was question number 6. So now moving on to question number 7. Question number 7 is, if v square is equal to u square plus 2gs, we need to find out the value of s when v is this. And so v square is equal to u square plus 2gs. V square is equal to u square plus 2gs. Then how many variables are there in this question?
Ma'am, 3.
Which 3?
V
Hmm.
U G
What
G
about
S.
s? S also, no? So how many variables are
Yes.
there? There are total 4 variables. So it means that if we need to find out s, हमने s find करना है, so we need to know the value of g, u and v. Okay, so it's given in the question. So in the question it is v is equal to 25, v is 25, u and let me check again, u and g. So u is 12, g is 10. U is 12, G is 10, right? This is the situation. So what is the first step? अच्छा, before we put the
Um,
values, then what are these V and U? ये कौन से numbers हैं?
Operations that we use cube and
नहीं,
square
like V
numbers.
square है, तो ये इसका क्या मतलब है? ये कौन सा number है? It's a square number.
Variable.
नहीं, square number.
Yes.
ये दोनों क्या है? Square number है. ये दोनों square numbers हैं. Square numbers क्या होते हैं? When a number is multiplied with itself 2 times. ठीक है? और ये मुझे बताएं, इन तीनों के बीच में क्या ऑपरेशन है? 2GS.
Ma'am, multiplication.
Multiplication is the operation. So, but what is the operation between U square and 2GS?
Addition.
Addition, right? That's right. So now the first step, we will put all the values. We know V square is 25 ka square, right? So U square is 12 ka square plus 2 into 10 into S, right? So we have placed all the values. Now what is 25 square? इसका क्या मतलब है? That 25 is multiplied with itself. 25 is multiplied with 25. So do you know what is 25 square, or we need to calculate it?
Ma'am,
Do you remember
calculate.
what is 25 square?
No, ma'am. We have done till 20.
All right. 25 square is वैसे ना 625. So but we can calculate also. 2 5s are 10, 2 4 did it. So this is the answer, 625, right? It's a very common number, that's why. So 625. So do you remember what is the square of 12?
24.
No, no.
144.
144. Very good. 144. So plus 2 tens are 20s, right? So now there are 3 terms. right? So we can take this 144, या फिर आप यूं समझें, we can take this 144 on the other side of the equation, या फिर we will just switch the sides. Just look at this. We can just simply write down the left hand side of the equation on the right hand side. It does not matter. समझ आ रही? I have written this side on the other side. It does not matter. ठीक है? So now we can just simply move it. 20s is equal to 625. If I take this plus 144 on the other side of the equation, it will be minus 144, right? So now what is 625 minus 144? 410, and then 12 minus 4 is 8. 7 minus 5 is 581.
One.
Is it
Ma'am, now
581?
add 20.
Now what? So
Add
1,
the
12,
denominator.
8 और 5 में से 1 गए, 481 आता है, because there was a carry also ना. ठीक है? So this is
Yes, ma'am.
481. ठीक है? So 481. So now what to do?
Ma'am, add the denominator in the
Very good.
20 as
Now
a
add
denominator.
20 in the denominator of both sides. This 20 is cancelled. So S is equal to 481 by 20. This is again an improper fraction. So we need to convert it into a
Mixed
mixed
number.
number. So 20 into 2 is 40. 81 है. The 24s are 80. And 1 is the remainder. So how we are going to write it down?
1
नहीं,
24
24 wholes 1 by
1 by 20.
ठीक है. So the denominator remains same. The remainder becomes the new quotient, new numerator, और ये जो quotient होता है ना, this is your whole answer. ठीक है? So is this question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it? All right, that's great. So moving on to question number 8. So question number 8 is this question. If 1 by A minus 1 by B is equal to 1 by C plus 1 by D. So find the value of C. Find C when A is equal to 1 by 2, B is equal to 1 by 4, C is equal to minus 1 by 5. Right? So I'm going to write it down, the equation 1 by A minus 1 by B minus 1 by B is equal to 1 by C plus 1 by D. Right? So we need to find out the value of C. We need to find out C when A is equal to 1 by 2, B is equal to 1 by 4, and C is equal to minus 1 by 5. Right? This is the question. Achha, first of all, before
Yes,
we
ma'am.
start the question, Abrish, I want to tell you one thing. If there is a double bracket, like double division, like for example, this is 1 by A. So this is already a fraction. So if I put the value here in this fraction, so the value is again a fraction, 1 by 2. So what happens actually with this kind of fraction when there is double fraction? Like there is a division sign here and a division sign here. So actually this got reciprocal. ठीक है, so इसका आंसर आता है 2 by 1. ठीक है, या फिर इसको आप इस तरह समझो कि if I write down this as 1 divided by A. ठीक है, so why I have written it like this, because ये same है ना, 1 by A लिखे या 1 divided by A, ये same बात है ना. ठीक है, so I am using, instead of by sign, I am writing a division sign because there is a fraction here. So I can say 1 divided by 1 by 2. So now to change this division sign into multiplication sign, we do what? We take the reciprocal. और देखें इसका आंसर क्या आता है? 2 आ जाता है. Are you getting this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Or there is another justification also. If we can, oh, like sometimes we can, like if you want to take the reciprocal of the whole equation, we can do that. Right? For example, my equation is like this now. X plus like we can do that, it's okay. Because equation, I told you na, equation is like a balance. Like if you can do one operation on one side, you can do the same thing on the other side. Like for example, अगर मेरे पास एक equation होना x plus y is equal to, let's say, 3 plus 1 by 2. So if I want to, take a reciprocal somehow, because I need to find 1 by x plus 1 by y, let's say. So I can just reverse the whole equation. So I can write it down as x के नीचे 1 है ना, इधर भी 1 है, it's also having 1. So I can reverse this all. I can take this whole equation and I can take a reciprocal. 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2. So ये दोनों equations same है. ठीक है? So there are two methods you can use in this question. Either you can just reciprocal the whole equation. So instead of this equation, it will become a minus b is equal to 1 by c. Or you can just follow the rule. ठीक है? So we will put the values and we will take the reciprocal. ऐसे लिखते नहीं हैं आप, लेकिन we will do it for the sake of this question. 1 by 1 by 2 minus 1 by 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by minus 1 by c 5 प्लस 1 by d. तो हमने पहले स्टेप में क्या किया, हमने ए बी सी की वैल्यूज डाल दी, right? So now we can take the, whenever there is double division, take the reciprocal of the fraction below it. So we can write it down as 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 5 plus 1 by d. Okay, so now they
Yes.
are all numbers. Say 1 by d, there is one, this is the variable term. So you can take this minus 5 on the other side of the equation. So it will be 2 minus 4 plus 5. Now, what is the
Yes, ma'am.
answer of this, these integers? 2 minus 4 plus 5. So plus 2 plus 5 is plus 7, right? So minus
And
4 equal to 1 by d.
minus
So
plus
7
3
minus 4 is 3.
plus
So
3.
1 by d is 3. If 1 by d is 3, so you can just cross multiply, or you can just take the reciprocal जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया. तो आप directly भी यहाँ से कह सकते हैं. If 1 by d is 3, so d is equal to 1 by
Ma'am,
3.
is equal
ठीक
1.
है? या फिर अगर आपको ये चीज नहीं समझ आ रही ना, तो you can just cross multiply it. So this is 3d is
3D
equal to 1, right? Now divide both sides with 3.
3.
This will be cancelled and d will be 1 by 3. Are you
And the
getting this?
answer is same.
जी बेटे?
Answer is same.
The answer is same, because I told you na in the start kid, you can take the reciprocal of the whole equation. हम सारी equation को reciprocal कर सकते हैं, because equations में ना, always remember, if you do anything to one side of the equation ना, anything, like if you want to take square root, if you want to take square cube लेना है, if you want to add something to both sides, if you want to subtract something to both sides. So just remember that the only criteria is that if you're doing any operation on one side of the equation, do the same thing on the other side to make the balance. So same is the case here. If I have taken the reciprocal, ताकि मुझे d की value मिल जाए, तो I need to take the reciprocal of the left side also. Okay, so d is equal to 1 by 3. Right? So is this clear, bete?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So now moving on to the next question. Next question is question number 9. If C is equal to A by B minus D minus C by F minus D. So let me write it down first, then we will discuss. C is equal to A by B minus D minus C divided by F minus D. F minus D. So we need to find out the value of F. We need to find out the value of F, and we know the other variables. So how many variables are there, Abrish?
Ma'am, 5.
5 variables. So A is 3, B is 4, C is minus 6. Oh, balki, oh, it is D minus E. 3, 4, 5, 6 nahi hai? There are 6 variable. E is also there. Dekhe na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 variables. Balki the C is the sixth one. Na? Ye D is repeating. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 variables. Okay?
Yes.
C is minus 6, D is minus 5. -6 -5 and the value of E is 2. ये आपको values given है. So before we start, Abrish, मुझे ये बताएं कि how many terms are there in this question? How many terms are there?
Ma'am, it is division.
जी?
Ma'am, division and subtraction.
See, how many terms are there? Actually, there are 3 terms, right? So let me tell you which 3 terms are there. So like this is one term, right? Plus C. This is second term. And this is the third term. There are total 3 terms in this question, right? ठीक है बेटा?
Yes.
So now we will start. We will start with the first step, which is that we need to replace the values in the equation. So C is -6. We will just put the values carefully. A by B. A by B is 3 by 4 minus. Now D minus E. D is -5 minus 2. E is 2 now. ठीक है, divided by F is the unknown minus. Now D की value is -5. ठीक है, आपने याद रखना है this is one term, this is the second term and this is the third term. So now -6 is equal to, this is fine, 3 by 4 minus, now what is this? -2 -7. Oh, my -2 -5 -2.
Ma'am,
What? Sorry?
ma'am, your screen is not working. Like I can't see the working. It
Is
is
my
too
screen,
late.
is it not shared?
Ma'am, it is
Oh,
shared, but the writing is delivered very slowly.
oh,
Like
let me try to share again. Maybe the internet is slow or something. Acha, is your internet fine?
yes, ma'am.
Then let me, can you see the screen now?
Ma'am, I can see the screen, but it is hanged. Like,
Like, is it written -6 is equal to 3 by 4 minus?
ma'am, it is just like written -6.
Acha, ठीक है. Let me share the screen again. Then it will be updated. Let me share it again. All right. Can you see it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it coming? All right. You need to tell me if it is not, updating properly because I have switched the internet. I hope it will work now. Acha, Zainab, sorry, Abrish, I was asking you, what is -5 minus 2?
Like your
-5
screen,
minus 2.
your profile is
Sorry?
like open, but not it is shared. The whiteboard is not shared.
Oh, what is open then? Acha, let me see. Share it again. What is this? Mm, mm. Share screen. Stop sharing. And I'm sharing again. Share the screen. Can you see the screen now?
No,
Leave it in. Is it shared?
no, ma'am.
It's not. You cannot see the screen. Like, not the whiteboard I have opened. Okay, now I'm opening the whiteboard. Can you see the whiteboard?
No,
Oh, what should we do? Abrish, can you try rejoining the class? Maybe the problem is at your end.
ma'am. Let me join from my mama mobile.
All right. Join the class again, okay? Rejoin it. Maybe that's the problem.
No, ma'am.
You cannot see it till now?
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot see the whiteboard, bete?
Ma'am, now I
I don't
can
know.
see.
All right, now you can see. So this is the whiteboard clear? Like
Yes,
we are on the third line. Is it visible? All right. So now you can tell me what is -5 minus 2. अब्रिश you can see the cursor ना, ये जो arrow आ रहा है white सा, ये आपको नजर आ रहा है ना? So what is -5 minus 2?
ma'am, it is plus 7. -7.
नहीं, not +7. They are like term. They
Minus
are friends. So they will be
minus
like the sign remains same, right? Because it's not like
7.
they are changed. ठीक है, -7. So integers are, you need to do them very carefully. So what is f? And this minus sign outside will change the sign inside. So या फिर देखें minus into minus is a plus. ठीक है बेटे? So it is f plus 5. So now -6 is equal to 3/4. Now this -7, because always remember Abrish ke we cannot have two signs with one term. Like they can, this is one whole term, -7 by f plus 5. But they are having two signs. This term is having two signs. One is this minus sign outside and one is the sign with -7. Okay. So it means we need to resolve it. When this minus sign and this minus sign will be combined, so this will be plus 7 by f plus 5. तो अब आपको समझ आ रहा है ज़ैनब कि how the three terms, you can still see the three terms. One is this -6, second is 3/4, and third is 7 by f plus 5. There are three terms in the question. So now we can take this plus 3/4 on the other side of the equation. हमने cross multiply करना है ना, so we need one term on one side. This is fine here, but take this 3/4 on the other side of the equation. So this will be -6 minus 3/4. Are you getting this, Nabite?
Yes.
Plus 3/4 था, when it went on the other side of the equation, it became -3/4. Now what to do? We need to make the denominator, क्योंकि हमने इन दोनों को add करना है ना, so we need to make the denominator same. So this denominator
Same.
is 4. So we will multiply this with 4,
4.
right? So what will this fraction be now after multiplying with 4?
4 by 4.
Very good. -24/4 and is equal to 7 by f plus 5. Okay. Now we can add it. -24 minus 3. This is -27/4. Okay. And this is 7 by f plus 5. So now we can do what? There is one term here and a one term on the right side. So we can do cross
Cross
multiplication.
multiplication.
Okay. So we can write it down, -27 into f plus 5 is equal to 7 multiplied with 4. Right? So now you can expand this bracket. Can you help me in writing, Abrish? What will come here after expanding it?
Um, -27 f
Hmm.
plus
Plus
minus plus
minus,
minus
because
minus
there is a minus sign है, तो दोनों साइंस चेंज होंगे. माइनस, so 27 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो what is the answer? 135. ठीक है, 135.
Yes.
So what is 7 into 4?
28.
28. Very good. So -27f, take 135 on the other side, 28 plus 135, right? So -27f is equal to, what is 28 plus 135? 8 plus 5 is 13. 3, 1 carry, so 2 and 4, 6. So 163, right? So now the
Yes.
rest of the question I will solve here. So -25f -27f is equal to 163. Now what to do? Divide both sides with
-27 in the denominator.
-27 in the denominator. Okay. So this is cancelled. So f is equal to, now what to do? We can divide it with 3. 3 nines are
Yes.
27. 3 fives are 15, and this cannot be divided actually. 163 है ना? 163, if we add them all, it is 10. It's not divisible by 3 नहीं है, 3 से डिविजिबल, इसका मतलब इट्स नॉट डिविजिबल, सो वी नीड टू डिवाइड इट। 163 को 27
with
से अगर हम,
9.
हाँ सॉरी
9. Ma'am,
9
with
से भी नहीं है
9.
ना। द सम इज 10, 6 और 3 9 और 1 10 हो जाता है ना। तो रूल ऑफ 9 एंड 3 आर सेम ना, इफ द सम इज डिविजिबल बाय, तो तब डिविजिबल होता है, ये डिविजिबल ही नहीं है। तो 27 इंटू वॉट, 27 इज क्लोज टू 30 ना, सो 33 5 5 पे जाता है ना, तो इसको 5 से चेक कर लेते हैं। 7 5 आर 35, 3 5 2 आर 10 और ये 135 आता है ना, वो ये हमने किया हुआ भी है। तो इसको 6 से चेक कर लेते हैं। 27 6 6 7 आर 42, तो 162 आ जाता है। 27 into 6 is 162.
Ma'am, that is
5,
163.
sorry?
That is 163. You have written 167.
Oh, it is 163. Thank you for telling me. Beta. 1 is the error. So now what is the whole number? What is the whole number?
Ma'am, 6 1 by 27.
6 whole
Whole 1
1
by
by
27.
27. Very good. This is the answer of F. Okay. So this was quite a tricky equation. It was quite a tricky question. So let's check the answer also. Maybe we are doing it wrong, or so you can check the answer also. It is, just let me see which question. This is page 176. Okay. So question 9 of 7C. We can go at the end of the book. These are the answers. Question chapter 7 pe jana hai. Abrish, can you see the screen? Can you see the answers?
Yes.
All right. This is 7C. So 7C, question number 9. Minus 6 whole 1 by 7. Can you see this one? Can you
Yes,
see?
ma'am.
This is the answer. Okay. And this is the answer we got. Minus 6 whole 1 by 27, right? Same answer, hai
Yes,
na?
ma'am.
Okay, beta. So it means